hairstyle for the past 6 weeks. Yes, there's an infant somewhere here in the frame that is out of control and I cannot be bothered with. Anyways, I've been wearing this hairstyle for 6 weeks now and it is time to take it out. My over see my natural hair again. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. So I'm gonna be taking them out today or over a series of days because I feel like this low-key may be hard to take out. So I'm gonna be pulling them out, deep conditioning my hair, doing a nice little wash and go to come back to natural hair Chantal Bay. You know what I mean? That nice wash and go Bay. So let's do this. Let's get going. So this is what my hair looks like now. So you can see that there seems to be a lot of new growth. Like the locks are pretty loose. But my hair does look really dry. So we're gonna have to do a lot to it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Not that style again. No? I mean, we need to find a different way to pull them out. Look at this. This is my hair. This is my hair that I just cut. Like, can you see that? This that I'm holding is the hair that's left on my head. I just literally just slit the whole thing. Oh my god. This is fine. Just bomba. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like. I took the braids out and I finger detangled while I was doing it. Nothing too crazy, just to make sure it's not like super knotted. And my hair doesn't feel dry, but it looks dry. Like, it looks hopeless. But when I finger detangled, this is how much hair I got, which is quite a bit for hair that's not fully detangled, but it's also been 6 weeks, so I'm not like, you know. So I have this idea that I'm going to detangle my hair before I start anything, just because I feel like there's a lot of dead hair and I kind of, one, don't want that in my bathroom drain, and two, like, let me just save some products. So I'm just going to go through and spritz my hair down with water and detangle it. So I have my Denman brush and my spray bottle. So your girl's detangled. My hair looks mad thin. This is how much hair I got from that detangling session alone. Y'all can see that? And this is how much I got from my finger detangling. And I'm pretty sure there's still dead hair, like, still just hanging out in there. So now I'm just going to put a clay mask on it and, you know, get the curls popping, remove all of the buildup that's there and all of that jazz.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so I applied everything to my hair. That's what it looks like. And I had a little bit left over, so I decided to put it on my face, which I don't normally do, but hopefully it agrees with my skin. And that's it. I'm gonna let this stay in for maybe like an hour or two, let it marinate, do some work, and then when I just feel like I don't want to have it in no more, I'll take it out. So I just got done rinsing out the mask out of my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. So my curls look a lot better, but not really, which is very worrying. But my hair looks like super uneven and just hill and gully. So now I'm just going to put a deep conditioning hair mask on it so everything can seep in and it can look moisturized for my wash and go, so my wash and go can look nice. So what we're gonna be using today is a hair mask from Miel. So I had gotten this when they had their $6 and their 6-year anniversary sale. I've never tried any of their products, but this is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask, and it's supposed to be deeply moisturizing, penetrative mask for dry, thirsty tresses. And my hair don't look dry, my hair don't feel dry, as I've been saying, it just looks dry. So I am going to add this all over my hair and leave it in for like a good half hour, let it sweat, seep, soak. Guys, how many times have I changed my shirt throughout this video? Comment below and tell me how many outfit changes I've had in this one video, because I've been recording this video for days, not even exaggerating, like days. But I rinsed the hair mask out of my hair after sleeping with it overnight, even though they told me 20 to 30 minutes. But y'all know hair care, 20 to 30 minutes, overnight it is, you know what I mean? So we're on to the wash and go section, which means we're on the last lap, and God knows. So today we're gonna be using the pomegranate and honey line. And if you're Jamaican, you know it's pangana, pomegranate, where that's a go. Pangana. See that? Pangana. Now I'm just adding the leave-in conditioner to the sections of my hair to make sure it's moisturized. And I feel like I could like this product because it's super thick. And I really like that in leave-in conditioners because my hair feels coated, and I just feel like I have a nice moisture base for my hair.
Cannot talk sideways so long.
And it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. So the products that we're going to use to define our curls today, or hope that they get defined, are the curl smoothie and the coil sculpting custard. So I'm just gonna take a few pumps and apply it throughout my hair. I just want to say, guys, it's not gonna be a full detailed wash and go. If you'd like to see a video like that with my go-to for sure products, I'll link it in the description and in the cards. You can get the full rundown, guys. I added both products and some hair oil to my hair, and honestly it don't look good. But I don't have any other products, so I'm just gonna do it to the rest of my hair. But remember earlier in the video when I cut off my hair, y'all see that bald spot? You see that this gap? It's not because of my ear, it's because there's literally no hair on right there. You see that? Anyways, I'm going to complete this process all throughout my hair and hope I don't look like a mad woman. But my hair is so dry, y'all, and like you guys can see, like the ends of my hair are so limp. Like I need to cut like this much of my hair. Comment below if you think I should cut it. If you guys get me to 100 likes on this video, I cut my hair. I cut my hair to here.
Lies.
I will.
Lies.
Why not? It's here. Because I don't have no reason to. It's not like I'm going out. But if y'all want me to, and get this video to 100 likes, your girl will. When I first come in, I hear this to do. Come in and know who will do it today. So, Mikal, do not tell me what I will do. You're not the boss of me because you're not my real dad. Okay? 100 likes and I cut it off. Me no say me I go bald, you know. Me say me go cut off all I dead ear. So make sure when you come and you see me head do bald, you do come for me. 100 likes. Let's go. Bop! Your girl's back. Feeling a little cute. Just a little bit though. You know, just a little bit. You know? My hair didn't turn out great, but I'm still rocking it. You know, the curls be popping. This is my hair on fluff, by the way. Like, this is just how the products made my hair look. I didn't pick it. I didn't fluff nothing. My hair's just this big right now. Like, it's kind of nice. I just wish there was a little bit more curl definition going on. Especially on this side, it's dry more. It's more dry than this side, and then this side kind of kinked up a little bit more than I liked. But I think all in all, for hair that is super dry and damaged right now, I think the products did okay. Would I say that they're great for 4C hair like they claim to be? Maybe not. You know, they're alright.
You don't have 4C.
Not 4C, like 4-type hair. I'm sorry, 4-type hair. You know? There's a whole thing going on now with people saying that they have 4C hair when they really have like 3B, 3C, 4A hair. And the 4C community is not about it. They're quick to tell you you're not 4C. So I'm here to declare that I'm not declaring that I'm 4C. But these products were made for 4-type hair. So 4A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. All of them. 4-type hair. So, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'd use the products again, maybe in conjunction with other ones, just so I could get a little bit more definition. Or maybe when my hair is a lot more healthy. But I no longer have locks. Your girl's back to being natural hair bae. Wash and go bae. You know, I be feeling it. Alright guys, so we reached the end of this video. We moved from 6 weeks old full locks to a couple hours old wash and go bae. It took us only like 3-4 days. Like, I mean, ain't no thing, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and kind of got a little tips and tricks along the way for when you're when you're taking out your protective styles. You know, don't get too super happy because then you might end up with bald spots like I did. But just make sure you take your time to remove the buildup from your hair, and then also give back your hair moisture and strength that it needs to just come back and be popping. You know, my hair needs some time, but I think it was a good first step after 6 weeks of literally no care. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you be liking my hair, be rocking my hair. Remember, if you get this to 100 likes, your girl's cutting her hair off. The damaged parts. Let me just make that clear. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. My sister's in the back like, bitch, you ain't cutting your hair. You's a liar. But I'm telling her, we ain't even gonna get to 100 likes, so it's okay. But if we get to 100 likes and your girls, I am a woman of my word, okay? If I say I'ma do it, I'ma do it. Anyways, this is this. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.